Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best portable air compressor. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best portable air compressor for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. A portable air compressor is an essential tool for various tasks, from inflating tires to powering air tools. When shopping for one, it's important to consider key factors that match your specific needs. Portable air compressors typically come in two types, electric and gas-powered. Electric models are more common, as they are convenient and easy to use, especially for small tasks. Gas-powered models, on the other hand, provide more power and are ideal for larger jobs or remote areas where electricity isn't available. The tank size determines how much air the compressor can store for continuous use. Smaller tanks, around 1 to 2 gallons, are suitable for occasional use like inflating tires, while larger tanks, 4+ gallons, are better for powering tools like nail guns or spray guns. The CFM, cubic feet per minute, rating indicates the compressor's ability to deliver air. Higher CFM is essential for powering air tools, while lower CFM is sufficient for simple inflating tasks. Make sure the CFM rating matches the requirements of the tools you plan to use. Look for a lightweight design with a handle or wheels for easy transport, especially if you plan on taking the compressor to different locations. Some portable air compressors come with built-in pressure gauges, multiple air hose connections, or LED lights for convenience. By keeping these factors in mind, you can choose a portable air compressor that fits your needs, whether for home use or professional tasks. Thanks for watching the video.